Continental PremiumContact 7 versus the Nokian Hakka Black 3. This is a touring summer tire showdown you don't want to miss. The PremiumContact 7 is Continental's benchmark for safety and handling. The new Hakka Black 3 enters with bold claims, both tested on the Kia EV6 in the 235/55R19 size. Can Nokian dethrone Continental? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental PremiumContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Re-Bilaga Summer Tire Test. In wet braking, the Nokian stopped 2.3 meters shorter, a 6% advantage over Continental. Wet handling was nearly identical, with the Nokian clocking a marginal 0.3 second faster lap time. In aquaplaning, the Hakka Black 3 maintained grip until 84.9 km per hour, which is 3.3 km per hour better than Continental, giving it a 4% advantage. Nokian dominates wet condition, especially in braking and aquaplaning. Dry braking favored the Nokian by 0.9 meters, a 2% edge. But in subjective dry handling, the Continental scored 1 point higher, translating to a 5% advantage in driver feel. So while the Nokian stops quicker, the PremiumContact 7 offers sharper steering precision. Comfort-wise, Nokian scored 1 point higher, or 5% better. For noise, the gap widened, a 3-point difference, or 15% advantage for Nokian. Clearly, the Hakka Black 3 is tuned for quiet, cushioned driving. Here's where Continental strikes back. It gave the EV6 24 km more range than the Nokian, resulting in a 6% efficiency gain. For EV owners, that can mean fewer stops and better range confidence. For the 235/55R19 size, Nokian Hakka Black 3 carries a 14% price premium over the Continental PremiumContact 7. In summary, this is a classic trade-off. If you prioritize comfort, noise, and wet grip, the Nokian Hakka Black 3 delivers. On the other hand, if you value efficiency, dry steering feel, and a better price, the Continental PremiumContact 7 still holds strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.